Greetings and welcome to One Spherical Love, Spirituality in the Modern World, presented by, we'll go with Healing by JDL LLC, because I have 5 businesses, so it depends upon what I am creating as to which business I use. If you need to be healed, then that's where I come in with Healing by JDL LLC. If you need counseling, then it's Beautiful Blessing Counseling LLC. So I have 5 businesses, and it pertains to certain things. And so years ago, my mom was sick, and so I gave her a combo of 4 different herbs, and she took it and boop, it was gone in 24 hours. Whatever she had was so long ago, I don't remember. So she said, don't ever give me that again. I know how to kick that bad boy out. So I had given a care package to 7 people recently, 2 weeks ago. And they're all coming down with whatever's floating around. And I said, listen, these are the herbs that come from this store in this city. Take it every 2 hours for 3 days. Kick that bad boy out. That's what I had to do after cancer treatments, radiation and chemotherapy. I had to live on 4 years to get this crap out. This chemical compound's gone. X-nay, baby. So it's gone. Now I have the medical issues, lymphedema and esophagus falling apart and all that. And so then I got my skin expansion and contraction because of the inflammation from whatever's going on. So the inflammation is itis. So the suffix at the end of the word of the noun is inflammation, like arthritis. Itis is inflammation. And lo and behold, I'm just one of those lucky people with 25 years of college, 16 certificates and diplomas, 6 college degrees, and 2 doctorate degrees. I look at you and I know exactly what it is you need to X-nay kicking out. Okay? That's what I do. It's what I've always done. And this is what I will continue to do from past lives to this life to future lives. That's the way it is. And so I've worked very hard to conquer 3 different types of cancers. I started at age 32 and I'm 61. I know how to kick this bad boy crap out. So I gave all these people, that means it's called preventive maintenance, PM. So once you do preventive maintenance, it's going to ride on in whatever's going around, virus, bacteria, and float right back out. I just gave them a prescription, and I filled the prescription with these herbs because I'm an alternative doctor. So if you do what the doctor says, you could take care of this crap. That's why I finally kick it out, and I've been 6 months, because holistic nutrition for 40 years, and the past 6 months I have combined, because I experiment on myself. I'm my own guinea pig. So 6 months experimenting of the combination of these herbs, and then for the past 2 months I've been sick. So for the past 3 days I found the magic carpet, baby. This thing is like, wow. I tell people it's like I'm on cloud 9 in Turtleville. So I'm walking really slow. Because it takes time for the body to heal and move on to the next quadratic equation that your body needs to create, all right? So I'm like on freaking cloud 9 for 3 days now. I know how to kick that crap out. I know how to change the gears so that you find the balance, yes, kosher motif, in which direction your health needs to be. And that's what I do, and that's why I'm a professional for many lifetimes in this lifetime into my next lifetimes, and that's the way it is. So if you want, I have done this before, you pretty much have to send me a message. Guess what? I hate electronics. I kill computers. I kill electronics. Why? Because my EMF is stronger than that crap. I have choice words. Stronger than that shh. As my kids used to say, 2 kids. One would say shh, and the other one would say it, because they're not allowed to cuss. So as time goes by, things will get better, and then I will turn around and I will get rid of the Ghiblies, expansion and contraction. I will get rid of a lot of things that my human body decided to live in. And, today we got a new uniform at work, and lo and behold, it's like, dude, you seriously want me to wear pajamas? It's a men's small. Why wear 2X small shirt? Women's. And so if it's too big, it's like pajamas, and then it gets caught on things. So when it does, my work shirt gets caught, and then all of a sudden it's ripping my clothes off. Yeah, because they won't give me the adequate type of tools for the job. The tool is what we're wearing. This is our uniforms. Just roll up the sleeves. Okay, well, bottom line is, if they're going to provide me with a piece of material that doesn't fit, I do not have to bow down to it. They should then give me the adequate amount of the type of material that I need to wear for my uniform. Unbelievable. So I've actually had to sew my work shirts in the back for them to actually fit. Well, now they've changed it so it's a different color and stuff. Yeah, it's crap. It's like gray. How boring and depressing is that? Anyways, I don't have much longer because they decided to downgrade, reconstruct the business. So then of the 4 gang wars, there's only going to be 3. So I am forced to take early retirement. And when I am forced, that means I will be shy 23 days of a year. So I'm going to ask them when I go in for the interview, I'm not going to take the job. You have to do more work for the same pay? Are you out of your ever-loving mind? What's wrong with you? I have medical issues, and I'm lucky to do the job I can do now. Y'all crazy. So I will take early retirement. That's age 62. And I had planned it in my 20s. Yeah. In my 20s, I wanted a government job. In my 30s, I wanted to be a gang war. So in my 40s, I got the government job as a gang war. And then in my 50s, I decided to collect my 3rd cancer. And then basically, just kicking it out, I lost like 8 years of my life due to my 3rd cancer. And now I get to play in the world of herbs so I can kick the crap out. Who's in charge? Me. And that's the way it is. And so now I'm like, okay, well, I got to do all this paperwork and stuff, boring. But anyways, I'm retirement and all that. I will finally get to do what I wanted to do for a long time. And that is becoming adequately professional in air guitar and adequately professional in air drums. Yeah, boy, I'm gonna be the best out there there is, okay? So I'll never forget when I was in elementary, I told my mama, I said, I'm going in the music department, and I'm going to take a music class. And I wanted drums, but she gave me the accordion. Do you know what that's like for a kid? That's so devastating. Well, lo and behold, it was kind of like before my time. I don't know. I would have been under 10. That's all I know. And in the mornings, what do I listen to? I listen to my type of music is, remember, my drug of choice is music. So my music is piano music. So you take the accordion, turn it sideways, and now you have a piano. So I was brought this to me, and I didn't connect the dots. And now I've connected the dots. And to me, piano music is a symphony in my heart, smiles, and belly laughs. That's the way it is. And so I have like a few more minutes, and then, where am I? My break is gonna be over. That's what happens. Like, you're in the middle of something, all of a sudden your memory goes shoot, and you're like, wait, come back, come back, come back. And then it'll come back, you know. That's the way energy works. It's called life force energy. And for all this stuff that's floating around, let me tell you, if you want to kick the crap out of whatever is invading your space through bacteria and viruses, it's called hormones, baby. And where's your hormones? Women are estrogen, men are testosterone. Where's your testosterone? It's in your cojones, man. Guess what? Learn your hormones. Learn how to activate them in the correct direction so that you don't get sick in mind, body, emotion, spirit. Okay, it's not hard. It's not rocket science. It's logic. So yeah, my break is almost over, and just wanted to say that it's funny how I passed out the care package for 7 people in the town that I live in, and they're all coming down with sickness. Dude, did you not just hear what the doctor told you to do? And then I have to go and remind them. They're like, okay. It's like, did this not sink in? Well, for me, the accordion didn't sink in the piano, because I'm like 8 years old and I didn't catch on until like 55. I mean, come on, really? The catching on comes to my world years in advance. Just like I tell people things they need to know years in advance. Guess what? You need to do this so that you can create the person you were meant to be. And life is love. Love is life. Blessings from Reverend Dr. Juanita Lewis, D.Div, Ph.D. I thank you for your support. My head gets tired of being in the same position. It's so boring. So I have to move it around. You know, some people talk with their hands, some talk with their head. And it's the language that you must learn to comprehend. Peace.